Every day is hard, gotta grind all day. People work in their own different way, their own different way. Life's a struggle, it ain't hard to believe. It is. For anyone that said that life is easy has always been wrong.
They always have. The struggle has always been on me, never been gone. So many roads ahead of me, I hope the ones I'm taking ain't wrong. Waking up, don't wanna wake up, life's been hard on me. My mind going crazy, every day seems like I have no faith, like there's no meant to be. Hard to find love, because my last relationship really got me messed up. Problems every day with her, she must really like problems and tea. Someone give her a cup, it's like every year there just have to be an issue. Life can never go right, people come and go, it's gonna be long, so go grab some tissues. Maybe sometimes I need to forgive, but it's so hard to forget. I don't wanna leave this life until all is done and set. Don't pray for an easy life, that's a saying that I had heard. Just been waiting for the day to spread my wings like a bird.
Every day is hard, gotta grind all day, gotta grind all day. People work in their own different way, their own different way, their own different way. Life's a struggle, it ain't hard to believe. It is. For anyone that said that life is easy has always been wrong. They always have.
Just waking up is hard, just the same pain. But gotta keep it pushing, there's so much to lose, then gain. Missed when I was still a kid in school. Life was pretty easy, getting ready to look cool. But now it's different, the sad reality really steps in. You can't stop it, you have to think hard within your skin. If you can do it, if not, don't lose hope so fast. That's what people been telling me, but lately looking like my life won't last. Any seconds is a ticking time bomb about your future. So when you pick your girl, make sure you really do love her. Gonna have kids, they gon' be stepping in your shoes. Hope they don't become like me, I'm still trying to learn. I'm so lost, I have no clues.
Every day is hard, gotta grind all day, gotta grind all day. People work in their own different way, their own different way, their own different way. Life's a struggle, it ain't hard to believe. It is. For anyone that said that life is easy has always been wrong. They always have been wrong. Don't give up, that's what they say. But I'm slowly fading away from the world. I just pray for better days, I really do.